Hi guys, my name's Taylor with MarineMax of Dallas. Today I'm standing on the 2020 Sea Ray 320 SunDancer. This is a beautiful boat, brand new model. Coming back here, this has got a nice big swim platform, SeaDek padding on it. This part right here will actually drop down into the water so you can hang out, enjoy the lake with your family and friends. Big nice swim pad area. Also, tons of storage back here too for easy access. All lighted interior as well. This is a pretty cool part on this boat. This will actually swing back so you can have an even bigger swim pad or sun lounge area. Coming through the boat, this has got very nice premium vinyl flooring in it. You can pull it out if you want, clean up, whatever you need to. This does have a Kenyan grill, nice sink, fridge, and even a trash can area. This will actually fold down if you just want to use it as a cutting board or make drinks for your friends. Coming through a little more, big area for a table, storage under all these seats. This boat does have the SunShade option, so you can extend this hardtop out to the swim pad for extra shade. This boat does also have AC and heater. Fusion sound system. Coming through the boat a little more, you got a nice easy maneuverable seat here to face backwards or towards the bow. Really cool dash area, twin SIMRADs with all your engine information, depth finder, whatever you need. Lots of options over here. This does have joystick control, so easy maneuverability around the docks. Trim tabs as well. Big cabin area in here. Nice table area for you and your friends to eat, hang out, whatever you're doing. Does have a microwave and fridge. Nice big bathroom. Also towards the back there, you've got a nice area to spend the night if you need to. Alright, so coming up towards the front of the boat, another nice big sun pad up here. Drop down armrest, big area to hang out with your friends. Also a push button windlass anchor, which is awesome. If you have any questions, or please come by our showroom so we can go in more depth on this boat with you. We're MarineMax of Dallas, and our phone number is 972-436-9979. Thanks.